Hello friends, this video is an easy tutorial on this 3D butterfly bookmarker that you can use in your creative journals and your favorite reading books. The 3D butterfly is a part of the new printable digital kit, METAMORFOSIS, inspired by the wings of butterflies, which symbolize transformation. That can be transforming your ideas, your art, and even reinventing yourself and your work freely. Before starting the tutorial, here is a quick look at the complete printable kit. I want this kit to tell your story as the main character in a fairy tale. Stories of personal growth and femininity that can be shared on these journaling cards. It has interactive elements that are my favorite to date, like these pop-up hearts that are very coquette and have the lace borders like vintage satin heart pillows. It includes unique pockets and journaling cards that you can further decorate with your supplies, like artificial handmade bouquet arrangements and ribbons tied into cute little bows. There's so many interactive paper crafts that you can create using this ephemera kit. Cute decorative elements that can be gifted in pen pal letters and included in your own journaling, where when you come back to it, you find all these little cute surprises waiting to be rediscovered. And here is a sheet that makes the butterfly bookmarker for this tutorial. Get the METAMORFOSIS ephemera kit in TuCasaDePapel's Etsy shop, linked in the description box below. For the tutorial, print out this sheet twice. I link below the printing paper that I use. And a special side note, this ephemera kit includes all sheets with a blank background so that you can save ink. Cut out and then distress the edges of each sepia-toned butterfly. Then fold each butterfly cutout in half. I used a bone folder for crisper folding. You can also use the edge of your scissors. After folding, you can start arranging your butterflies from smallest to largest, the smallest being on top and the largest on the bottom. This is a very easy and simple tutorial. We just have a couple of more steps and we're done. Add a line of glue down the middle of the second largest butterfly. Adhere it to the center of the largest butterfly. Fold them down the middle together to ensure that the glue spreads out on the edges. And repeat the same steps until you reach the smallest butterfly. Repeat with the second set of butterflies. When you're done, you can see that only the center of each is adhered so that the wings can give a 3D effect. Now we are on the final steps, which is creating the bookmarker. I printed one of my digital wallpapers from my Princess Bouquet wallpaper kit, and I am using it long ways. At the top, I marked down the length of my butterfly. We are going to fold long ways where we mark down and then cut off the excess. Now we can unfold our bookmarker and adhere it to have a thick and reinforced bookmarker. I am using double-sided tape instead of glue to avoid the bookmarker from warping. After adhering, fold your bookmarker in half. At the top, fold it down about ½ inch and repeat on the other side. This is how it should look and function for the final steps. We are going to carefully cut our 3D butterfly right in the center. It should not fall apart as the glue should have spread a little from the center. Add glue to the top left flap and glue down the left wings of the butterfly. Now add glue to the right flap of our bookmarker and glue down the right wings of the butterfly. Here, I like to do a little upwards bend on all the wings to create a more 3D look, as if the wings of the butterfly were starting to spread and fly. Now we turn our bookmarker upside down, grab the second butterfly, cut it right on the center, and glue it down to the bottom of the flaps. This time we must make sure the wings of our first and second butterfly match up so that it's all neat and cohesive when looking at the bookmarker from all angles. And that's it. That was a simple step-by-step tutorial that you can recreate using either the 3D butterflies or the 3D hearts or any designs that will make a cute bookmarker for your creative journal. I hope you check out the complete Metamorphosis kit, as it has tons of cute pieces that can inspire your creativity. Download the kit from Etsy and print it at home. The kit is linked in the description box below. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I will have a journal with me video for the journal pages I featured in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!